Good morning, everyone. My name is Shekinah Williams, and this is my introductory video for this course. I am currently doing my field placement at a program that offers in-home services and has an after-school weekend program for youth with developmental disabilities. The youth range from ages 5 to 16 years old right now, but we can go all the way up to 21. Um, some of the youth that also receive in-home services from this program are not part of the DD population, but we primarily focus, or I primarily work with those that are. During the week, I'm pretty much in the office doing a lot of the admin work, administrative tasks. I do spend one day at the center working with those youth, running groups, skills groups, ADL skill groups, doing a multitude of things. We do in community activities. I also do some in-home work with a few families. I actually currently only have one, but I'm going to be assigned a few more where I'm going to be doing coordination for the in-home services that they receive from the agency, which I really enjoy. It's definitely different from what I do during the day. Um, it's a different set of eyes being a provider as opposed to being the one who implements and requests the services. So it's definitely eye-opening and different, but I'm enjoying it. I'm really also enjoying learning the administrative work behind the scenes of what it is to run a program, what it takes to make sure that all the billing and stuff is in order, policies are being implemented um, or revised if needed. So it's definitely been a very interesting and rewarding journey so far. So I look forward to doing some more clinical work this semester, really doing some type of assessments, hopefully really working with more of the clinicians and seeing how it is that they run their sessions and getting more of that type of experience just to prepare me for my next steps in social work. One thing that I have definitely struggle with, I should start with that, with this internship, and it's not really hasn't been a struggle, but it's definitely been something that I have not been used to, is working very closely with the DD population. As being a case manager, I mostly just coordinate and make sure that overview or do like oversee of services and make sure that everything is run smoothly. But actually being there, working with the youth on Saturdays at the respite program and during the week, really doing that one-to-one with a lot of these youth who struggle with communication or struggle with expressing their feelings, and really having to find strategies and solutions that work for them is different for me, but I definitely am enjoying it. I think it was definitely challenging, and now I'm getting used to it and I'm a little bit more comfortable in being around them and actually helping them. One thing that I definitely enjoy is the fact that there are other interns here. So we definitely do bounce ideas off each other. We utilize each other for feedback and support. So that's been very good to have, other interns here who are experiencing the same thing that you're experiencing, and really have the same type of goal in mind, which is to successfully, of course, finish school, but also take away from the experience and learn a lot while we're here. So that's one thing that I definitely do like. And I look forward to completing these next couple of weeks, really getting in there, working with these families, and making sure that I can carry this experience with me throughout my career. So, yeah. Okay. Bye.